Yo, yo, yo. Look at the curls. Look. I got rain on. Did the nuns finally set you free, Maziga? I am on with the nun and you at the same time. I'm not dressed appropriate. I don't know what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a tank top, a long sleeve shirt. I don't like it. My mama would agree. I don't like this. I don't even have my Converse sneakers on. I'm letting it all hang out today. I don't care. I don't know what has happened to me. I really don't care. I don't care if I come on here not dressed appropriate. I don't care. It's a rainy day. We're gonna get snow. I heard that there's snow in Pennsylvania. Welcome, Angel. Angel. Let's put a song on for Angel. All right. I hope those nuns didn't do a number on you. Oh. I'm taking a break from writing my book, and I gotta cook dinner, so I figured I'd come on here and say hello.
Welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead you?
Who would think that the nuns would have kidnapped you?
We need you.
Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back.
You always could spot prayer. Welcome back. And I smile when I think how you must have been. And I know what a scene you were learning in. Was there something that made you come back again? And what could ever lead you? What could ever lead you? Yeah, well, we need you. Teasing my life, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. And I know what a scene you were learning in. Was there something that made you come back again? And what could ever lead you? What could ever lead you? Yeah, well, we need you. Yeah, well, we need you. He's in the night, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, we tease him at night. Welcome back, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back, yeah, we tease him at night. 'Cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back.
Well, I don't know if Angel is here or not. I don't know what happened. Thank you for the song. You're welcome. I hope that your computer is working. I've just been busy writing. All I do is write. Oh God, chapter 13 is the hardest chapter of all. But can you believe I have arrived to chapter 13? But the problem is, all the chapters after chapter 13 are just as long. The other ones were shorter. Do you see me, Luna? Yes, I see you. I see you. We see you. Well, this is a nice day that, my sister is back. I am happy. That she's back. Okay. So anyway, yeah, I am dressed. I don't know in what fashion I am dressed. I have a tank top on, and I got a long sleeve shirt on, and I got another tank. I don't know. I'm not. My hair is curly. Wow. It just gets like this with the rain. I didn't know. Raccoon. Yeah, I just didn't feel like doing anything. Why is my voice changing? Go to I'm on DSL, can't afford anything better. I'm making Italian hamburgers on a wedge tonight with onions. And I forgot all about my mama's salad. And I could have eaten that. I went to bed hungry last night, but I have not been eating too much lately. I am going through mood swings. I don't know what they are or what, as you can see. I'll be paying $4 less than twice the speed with a promo for a year. Thumbs up. That's good. Very good. Very good. So anyway, did you hear the East Coast is getting hit with the snowstorm, and I think I don't know, Frank Taylor would probably know about PA. I think they got hail this morning. The weather is cuckoo. And then they also said that there's a new strain of the flu. They said that if we thought that the flu was over, we're in for a big surprise. Because there's a second strain of flu coming that is like 10 times worse than the original flu. So, I stay by myself in my house. I mind my own business, but I get in all sorts of trouble in this kitchen. But, I just stay by myself. I don't bother anybody. I stay alone. And, but I don't know why I get in trouble. I have no idea. But anyway, what can I do? I don't even know. I have nothing really. Oh God, I feel like I need material to say, well, what should I say next? I don't know what to say next. All I could tell you is that I'm writing my book. I went to the supermarket today with my grandson, and I got food. So I got plenty of food, and I'm making Italian burgers tonight. That's basically it. For Easter, I'm not doing anything at all. I probably will be here eating alone on Easter. My mother is going to my other sister's house, and I don't get along with that sister, so I don't think I'll be going there. And my brother is going to have a barbecue. I could go to his house, but I'm not sure what I'm doing for Easter. Does anybody have Easter plans here? I have no idea. But I am not doing anything for Easter at all. I don't have my socks on. Nothing for me. No. Okay. I fixed that Yankee shirt up that I had on yesterday. I thought that it was a bit too low, so I fixed the collar of it. I put it back on. Um, yeah. Um, but I don't have it on now. But I did my laundry already today, and I did my laundry, and I'll show you the shirt. I kind of redesigned it. I think it looks pretty cool. I felt that the neck was too short. It was annoying me, so I sewed the back where that thing is actually in the front of the shirt. But I think my opinion is I think that Yankee shirts should have sleeves. I'm not happy. So then I had to sew the back of it, and I did that. That's what I did with my Yankee shirt right there. I made it like a collar. So I did that. What? I reconstructed it. Be right back. All right. Hi, Wolf. Got enough water there? I didn't put the dishes away. Oh, I got Pringles, and they expire. I'm really being. I really didn't get dressed or anything. I'm just, hanging out. Kind of just natural, completely natural. Oh, hi, baby Jane. Hi. What happened to me? I just am hanging out. I got rained on, and this is what happens to my hair when it gets rained on. And I figured I would be natural. My mama says that, but I don't know. Hello. Hi, everybody. I didn't straighten my hair because the rain, is coming down, and I said the hell with it. I wasn't, just hanging around my house, not doing nothing. I didn't get dressed or anything. I just like, laughed.
They're gonna put me in the movies. They're gonna strange. Well, I bet you I'm
Gonna be a big star.
might win an Oscar. You can never tell. The movie's gonna make me a big star. 'Cause I can play the part so well. Well, I hope you'll come and see me in the movies. Then I'll know that you will plainly see the biggest fool that ever hit the big time. All I have to do is act naturally. We'll make the scene about a man who sang Lunar I'm begging
Down on his bended knee.
I'll play the
Oh, and I won't need rehearsing. All I have to do is act naturally.
well, I
Bet you are gonna be a big star.
might win an Oscar.
Oscar, you can never tell. The movie's gonna make me a big star. I can play the part.
So well, I hope you
Come and see me in the movies. Then I know that you will plainly see the biggest fool to ever hit the big time. And all I have to do is act naturally. Martha, my dear. So I know recently Luna was saying she could bring her dog here and there. If she does this, she can. Let me see. Let me click on the link. Thank you. So, anyway, thank you, Foxy Blue 52. All right, I don't see Martha, my dear angel. Everybody, round of applause for my sister, the nuns. Let her free. Oh my God. Those nuns. Those nuns. Oh. I am so thankful that I didn't have to go to Africa with them. There was no way. Anyway, so I'm making Italian hamburgers tonight. Nobody's talking. Yeah, it's raining out. And I didn't fight Mother Nature. And that is why my hair looks like this. Oh. I always wanted to go get that stuff you could get put in your hair to make it straight even in the humidity. But I was always afraid about that because I heard a lot of stories that stuff, unless you have really thick hair, your hair could fall out. Well, that's all I have to say about that. Alright, so we got onions cooking. Okay, we're gonna turn that on. I'm not having anything on the side. I'm just gonna have a big Italian wedge. Italian hamburger wedge. That's what I'm having tonight. I'm gonna keep it right there to warm up. I'm gonna have tomatoes in that. Oh, it's gonna be good. And that's all I have to say about that. Oh well, this is, I usually straighten it, but I decided I was too tired to do it. I did not flat iron it. Your tag is sticking out.